Hello and welcome to My BFF Social. Today we're going to review how to download your contacts from LinkedIn. So first we're going to go ahead, navigate to the My Network icon here at the top. Next we're going to go ahead and highlight or hover over Connections and select that. And then we're going to navigate over to the right at the top here. You see Manage Synced and Imported Contacts. Going to go ahead and select that. We're going to navigate down to Export Contacts right here. Go ahead and select Export Contacts. That's going to give you a couple of different options. You have the ability to download a larger data archive here, or you can select something particular and select the data files you're most interested in. I'm going to go ahead and take that option. I'm going to select Connections. That's going to showcase the Request Archive button here. Go ahead and select that, and your file will be ready in about 10 minutes. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for joining me at My BFF Social, your place to make more business friends forever.